how anyone can learn to do an ollie on a skateboard. The ollie is the easiest way to get past any obstacle in front of you. There's endless variations of it, and anyone can learn how to do it. So beginners and posers, listen up. The two most basic steps of an ollie are the back foot getting the board in the air and the front foot leveling out the board. Place your back foot somewhere around here on the tail of your board. And now, to get the board in the air, crouch down, and as you're jumping back up, that's when your back foot does this pointy motion like this. Once you feel comfortable moving your back foot like this, it's time to focus on the front foot leveling out the board. The front foot positioning should be placed somewhere behind the screws right around here. And what the front foot does to level out the board is this ankle roll motion right here. Once you've mastered this ankle motion right here, you're ready to put the two steps together and try some ollies. To make sure that your front foot does its job and gets the board leveled out in the air, try thinking about landing on your front two wheels like this. And now, to summarize everything, crouch down, and while jumping back up, point your back toe, and after you feel it in the air, do the ankle roll motion with your front foot. And now you all know